Imagine waking up to a world where jobs you thought were safe are gone, replaced by machines, replaced by algorithms. 10. Jobs. 8 minutes. 1. Big warning. In the next 8 minutes, we'll shock you. Then explain why. This isn't some sci-fi movie. This is happening right now. Faster than anyone predicted. We've spent weeks talking to experts, analyzing data, looking at the tech that's about to change everything. What we've found is absolutely insane. Some of the most common jobs on the planet are on the verge of disappearing completely, and most people have no idea. This isn't about scaring you, it's about preparing you. Let's get into it. Alright, kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the data entry clerk. For decades, this role has been the backbone of information management, the essential human link between the physical and digital worlds, but that link is about to be completely reforged by AI. Here's the shocker. This job is facing a 90% automation potential within the next 1 to 5 years. That's not a gradual decline, it's a cliff edge. Think about the core task. For decades, people have manually typed information from a paper into a computer. It's tedious, mind-numbingly slow, and notoriously error-prone. Even the best human operator makes mistakes. AI doesn't make typos. It doesn't get tired, need breaks, or call in sick. It works 24/7 with unwavering precision. The business case is simply undeniable. The first wave of this revolution is AI-powered optical character recognition, or OCR. This isn't the clunky software of the past. Modern systems read handwriting, complex forms, and messy invoices with near-perfect accuracy. The second, more powerful wave is predictive automation. The AI doesn't just read the data, it understands the context. It knows an invoice number belongs in the accounting software, and a customer query needs to be routed to the CRM. It classifies, sorts, and acts. We tested one system. It processed 1,000 invoices in the time it took me to read one. It's not even a competition. The sheer scale is staggering. Companies can cut operational costs by 90% while simultaneously increasing accuracy. The timeline is aggressive, 1 to 5 years. For this profession as we know it, the game is over. Coming in at number 9, the telemarketer. If you thought robocalls were annoying now, get ready. They're about to become indistinguishable from, and in many ways, better than human callers. This isn't about pre-recorded messages on a loop. We're talking about fully conversational AI that uses hyper-realistic voice cloning. It can understand nuance, answer questions, and adapt its pitch in real time based on your responses. The technology is already here and being deployed. We predict mass extinction for this role in the next 1 to 3 years. An AI telemarketer can make millions of calls simultaneously. It learns and improves from every single conversation, never gets discouraged by rejection, and works for pennies on the dollar. For companies, it's a goldmine of efficiency. For human telemarketers, it's a pink slip. Very soon, you won't be able to tell if the friendly, persuasive voice on the other end of the line is a person or a machine. And for the sales industry, that changes everything. Coming in at number 8, the retail cashier. This role, a staple of our daily lives, is on the brink of a technological revolution that will redefine the entire shopping experience. Checkouts are going extinct. The future of retail is frictionless. You walk in, take what you want, and just walk out. No lines, no waiting, no scanning. This isn't science fiction, it's already here. Advanced computer vision, powered by hundreds of cameras and sensors, tracks every single item you take or put back, keeping a running tab with near-perfect accuracy. Within just 2 to 6 years, cashier roles will be drastically reduced. The technology is proven, and the cost savings are too significant for major retailers to ignore. Even in stores that don't go fully autonomous, smart kiosks and mobile checkout apps are getting smarter. The math simply favors automation. The friendly cashier is being replaced by cold, hard efficiency, shifting human roles towards customer service and inventory management, away from the checkout counter. Now buckle up for number 7, taxi and ride-hailing drivers. Here's the reality. Soon your driver might be code, not a person. The race to deploy fully autonomous vehicles is one of the most heavily funded ventures in tech history. Nationwide adoption takes time. 5 to 10 years is a realistic window. But pilot programs in major cities like San Francisco and Phoenix are rapidly accelerating, gathering millions of miles of real-world data. These cars see in 360 degrees, using a combination of LiDAR, radar, and cameras. They react in milliseconds, and crucially, they don't get distracted or tired. But the win isn't just the car, it's the network. A central AI positions vehicles where demand is predicted to spike and optimizes every route for speed and efficiency. Removing the human driver from the equation slashes operational prices and boosts profits, promising safer, cheaper, and more efficient services at a massive scale. The era of the human driver is slowly but surely ending. The transition will be gradual, but the destination is clear. With over 3.5 million professional drivers in the US alone, millions of jobs are on the line. Number 6. The travel agent. AI can plan a perfect custom vacation instantly. We're looking at 2 to 5 years before this becomes a niche, luxury service. AI analyzes billions of data points in real time, far beyond any human. Tell it your budget, dates, preferences, magnawan. Gidiet studio de date complete optimized itinerary with one click. Faster, cheaper, more personalized. Cracking into our top 5, the fast food cook. Robotic kitchens are already frying your fries. Soon a stainless steel arm flips your burger. Robots are better at all three. Widespread adoption in 3 to 7 years as costs drop and capabilities rise. Task-specific arms nail timing, portioning, and assembly in seconds. They don't call in sick, need training, or break hygiene. They just run. This is happening now. Your local drive-thru will look more like a car factory than a kitchen. For operators, it's a dream. Throughput up, labor costs down. At number 4, warehouse pickers and packers. Giant robot farms are replacing runners with scanners. Fast. Efficiency gains are so massive we expect major displacement in 2 to 6 years. Vision-guided arms identify items, grip correctly, and pack at speed. A fulfillment AI knows every item's location, directs robots, and plans packing end-to-end. It's no longer just the giants. Smaller businesses are catching up fast. Number 3, customer service for basic inquiries. AI is getting so good at the basics that humans are being taken out of the loop. Where's my order? Reset my password. AI will answer. In 1 to 4 years, large language models trained on company data will dominate frontline support. They grasp nuance, detect frustration, and access accounts securely to personalized solutions. One system handles thousands of chats in many languages 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. Humans remain for complex escalations. Most tickets never need them. Soon, you won't realize you weren't talking to a person. Coming in at number 2, a profession built on meticulous research and documentation, paralegals and legal researchers. This role is defined by sifting through mountains of text, a task tailor-made for artificial intelligence. AI can now perform e-discovery and contract analysis with superhuman speed and accuracy. What once took a team months of painstaking work can now be accomplished in mere hours. Advanced natural language processing doesn't just read, it understands context, flagging critical clauses, identifying precedents, and summarizing key points for senior review. Expect significant disruption within 2 to 5 years. The result will be fewer billable hours for research and drastically smaller support teams. Law firms that adopt this technology will win cases faster and at a lower cost, fundamentally changing the competitive landscape and the very structure of legal practice. And the number 1 job most at risk from AI: junior accountants and bookkeepers. The most shocking part isn't just that AI can do the math, it's that soon, the numbers will balance themselves, almost invisibly. The core tasks that define this role, data entry, processing invoices, and reconciling accounts, are prime candidates for automation, and it's already happening. Expect a massive shift in the next 2 to 5 years as AI seamlessly links bank feeds, sales platforms, and vendor systems, handling the entire data flow automatically. The system will prepare financial reports and flag anomalies in real time, operating continuously and with a precision no human can match. From affordable small business tools to massive enterprise finance systems, the wave of automation is washing away repetitive work across the board. This forces senior roles to pivot from oversight to pure strategy. For new entrants, the traditional career ladder is disappearing. So, there you have it. 10 jobs, 10 technologies, and 10 timelines that illustrate the profound changes on our horizon. The world of work is transforming. While some doors are closing, new ones are opening for those prepared to walk through them. The key isn't to compete with AI, but to collaborate with it. Learn the new skills, master the new tools, and redefine your value. Don't be replaced, be indispensable. Subscribe for our full reskilling series to learn how. Now go build your future.